2020 GMC AT4 6.2 liter V8. Just a beautiful, beautiful GMC truck. Got all the little nice accents on it. There it is. It's got less than 200 miles on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3-inch, and they got rid of the third cat. Thank you, Jesus. Anyways, and then it continues 3.5 into 3-inch pipe we added. We took the flap out that comes in front of this, and then we put a FLOWMASTER 43041. Customer supplied it. If you guys want it, the link will be in the description right there. And then it's dualed out there into 2 1/4 tailpipes, and it's got factory resonators here and here. He didn't want it too loud, just wanted to hear it nice. There's the flap that I'm talking about, we always take out. There's the muffler. So there it is, AT4 GMC Sierra. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. FLOWMASTER 40 series, 43041. There'll be a link in the description. Give the gas. Needs to be louder. Those resonators gotta go. Try it for a week, see how you like it.
Yeah. You charge me to cut the resonators off.
Another 2.
Another 200?
100 inside.
Wow.
Because it's got 2 on it. Sound decibels, go ahead. .6. Not really changed much.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I'll drive it like that for a little bit. If I
See how
don't
you
like
like
it,
it.
I'll come back.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and back it up.
You got both the flaps on?
Yeah. There's only one on it in the front. Some of them came with 2, some of them came with 1. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC AT4